All right, guys, we are live. What is going on, everyone? All right, so getting straight into it, guys. We've seen massive pumps. We're up 3.5%, almost, no, 3.3% on Nasdaq. Massive pump on the ceasefire deal. I said that yesterday in Smooth Chat that I thought the war will end, okay, or we will get some form of a ceasefire. That's what happened. So yeah, market's been pumping. There is absolutely no way in hell that we are going to be shorting this market. I'm looking for dips to buy. I don't think we're going to retrace this this massive pump today. So I think this value area that we've created here is we're gonna trade around this value area, in my opinion. So I am waiting for a dip down to here to buy, down here, or we wait down here. Okay, it's either or. SPY has also got a really good level down here, half cap with this gamma. We'll see QQQ and SPX. Yeah, this gamma level at 6700 will come into play if we get down there. All right, so keeping it pretty simple. We're waiting for dips to buy. So yeah, let's see what happens here. Hope everyone's doing well. We've got a value area high target here. If that flips into support, then we're going to go for that liquidity target and the lows in pretty much on the stock market. Okay, coming down a bit. Let's get some orders ready just in case this dips quick. Yeah, VIX is totally collapsed. Oil's collapsed. Bitcoin's pumping. VIX is at 20 now, under midpoint. So really nice to see that. So ES is coming into a gamma level. Let's just update these gamma levels now. Okay. Okay, nice. All right. Okay. All right. Let's do ES. We done ES, sorry. Let's do NQ. Okay. All right. So yeah, we're trading in a band, as you can see. That's what I'm expecting. I'm not expecting this to break this today and come down here. I'm not expecting that. I'll be highly surprising. I'm expecting to support here, go back up here, and then reject. I think it's going to ping pong into this area, fill it out. Okay, bull stepping in into this LVN. Dun, 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 dun. Got some orders lined up and ready. Yes, okay. Let's see what happens today. Looks like the market wants higher. Bitcoin is pulling back as well. It reached 72,700 earlier. Pulling back towards 72. All right, let's see if this can keep dipping. This is a nice little sell-off. Really looking towards this 2020 level down here, and this expected move down to 25k. I'm looking at those, in particular this level here in between this, for a bigger move to the upside. I may pop a long from here as well on one of the accounts, but I'm gonna get stopped out. That's too big. So yeah, I'm looking for more of a deeper move down here, and then we push higher. I think we can get a monster move from here to all the way back up to the daily high. Yeah, Bitcoin's red now on the day. So is ETH. Yeah. Altcoins are pulling back as well. Nasty pullback on Bitcoin. On the alts. Alts are just getting decimated. This thing. When are we gonna get this? It's coming though. It's coming sooner rather than later, in my opinion. One and Q sell. Keep selling NQ. I think this from here would get a push back up. That would be, let me see, 70%, 70 point pullback. I think that will not be the low. It'll still come lower into this zone, and then you get the bigger move, like we did yesterday when we caught those two beautiful longs here and here. Caught some beautiful moves yesterday. I think one was from here, and then we caught this one as well, which is actually the low of the day. Beautiful moves. Okay. Oh, that's miles down, isn't it? On SPY. That's a big way down. The S&P still got down to 67.50. ES is not really moving down that aggressively. Very aggressive bulls, but right now they're getting absorbed. So yep, absorption there. Yeah, bulls look like they're going to protect this area above the VWAP. Yes, it's like in this area above the VWAP. Yeah, it's getting really bullish now. Yeah, huge pump. Yeah, and we don't forget we've got FOMC minutes as well today. What's up, Paige? How you doing? Nice to see you. We're doing well. Hope you're well. Yeah, this looks bullish, guys. It looks like it might reverse back to the upside here. No settle for me yet. I'm great. I'm great. Thank you very much. I'm just waiting for a nice dip. It's a buy. I'm not sure we're going to get it. Oh, nice push. Right into the VWAP. Really nice. Come on, give me a more of a dip. Come on, NQ, a little bit more. A little bit more will be nice. SPX is not even hit its gamma level yet. Yeah. This is gonna be nice down here. ES, I've got a level 67.92 for a potential long trade. That's what I'm looking at. I'm just waiting, being patient. Gonna wait for my levels. I'm waiting for NQ to hit around into this area here. I think this is gonna be a really good level to buy from. But I think market's gonna stay in between here and probably the value area high up here. I think today the market is just gonna fill out this volume profile. I very much doubt this gonna come down and trade in the imbalance that we created from the ceasefire news. So yeah, level on ES is 67.92. That's what I'm looking at. Probably take a while to get there, like always, but let's see. This is a pretty good level as well on NQ, but I'm just not gonna. I don't want to long levels that are right next to each other. I'd rather wait for the lower pivot. But this could get a bump as well, really big one, if it wants to go. I just feel like it's going to come down. Who knows though? Still a lot of liquidity left on the downside to clear. Yeah. I don't think NQ is going to clear it all in one go though. And it doesn't have to go all the way down to, you've got liquidity all the way down to 850. I don't think we're going to go that low. Extreme. Okay, that's really extreme, yeah. What's up, Hitman? How you doing, brother? Nice to see you in here. Bitcoin's pulling back as well. Really big pullback on Bitcoin. But I think it's just going to be a pullback with continuation to around 77,000 on Bitcoin. At 67.50 is a nice level as well. On the S&P, this should correspond with 67.92. On the ES, that should be a nice level to go long. That should also bring NQ back down into here. That would be really nice long, man. That would be a really good setup. I think that would be probably like an A+. If all three indexes are going to line up here. 2 minutes until the new 30-minute candle opens. Come on, get off that VWAP. NQ, let's go. Start selling this thing down. Just doesn't want to fucking sell, eh? Wow, man, just doesn't want to sell. Bulls are getting nasty. Stepping in here. Right, new 30-minute candle just open. Yeah, and they're getting really aggressive, the bulls here. Yeah, I'll keep you posted. You'll see the trade on the screen in a minute. they might pop it to 150s before bringing it down. From here, this is a pretty important support level. So they could pop it to 150 here. I won't be surprised by it. They're trying to hold up the level. One and Q. Just loves that VWAP. Yeah, it just doesn't want to move away from the VWAP, does it? And I got a feeling they're going to pop this to 150. That's the kind of feeling I'm getting here. Yeah, this is going to pop, guys. This is going to pop first. And then it's going to bring it down later. At least 130s. I think they've got to move on to at least 130, 150 here. Yeah, it's good. They're just going to make this tough before bringing it down to lower levels. Alright, maybe not. Maybe we're going to get that move now. Still nothing. I tried. It's going to go higher. it's gonna go higher. That was a little liquidity grab. Okay. This is wild, guys. Every dip is just getting eaten up. It's just not letting this market dip at all. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in long here, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go in. Yeah, I'm gonna take this back up to the 150s. They're just not letting this market dip at all. So yeah, it's worth an attempt here. Back up to around 130, 150, I'll take it off. Yeah, I'm long, yeah. It's not the best setup in the world, but this is just not letting... They're not letting NQ fall at all here. So it's probably worth a shot. Yes, it's in no man's land at the moment. We'll see. I'm hitting it on one account. If it comes down here, I'll hit it on the other accounts. So we're all good. Down, 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 down. Bulls are desperate to buy this thing and push it higher. They're really desperate. They're not letting, they're just eating everything up. They're just not letting the market fall. This is not the A plus pivot, by the way, though. So do size down on this if you're taking it. You're waiting, yeah. Probably prudent to wait. Yeah. Yeah, I don't blame you for waiting. Really shitty price action though. Struggling at this area. Bulls are struggling to get past it. There's a wall of sellers. It's not letting the bulls through. Yeah, it's chopping, yeah. Yeah, it's chopping, but I feel like they're gonna spike this higher just to stop out some shorts, and then they're gonna drop it. Like, my thinking is, if they were gonna drop this, they would have dropped it already. Well, who knows? We'll see. I think they're gonna pop it quickly higher liquidate some shorts, and then bring it back down. That's what I'm kind of thinking here. Oh, this is sucks, bro. This PA is whack. It is garbage right now. Absolute garbage. They're trying to pop it higher and then just drops again. Zero momentum. This is total garbage. All right, some news from Iran. Maybe the next 30-minute candle can give us a cleaner move, possibly. This right now is total garbage. Sup, K-Dog? Yeah, this is whack, bro. It's whack, but I got a feeling they're just gonna go bam. Straight up. That's what I got a feeling. Back to the highs? Yeah. It's not gonna go back to the lows of the day. That's not happening. Take it. If that's what you mean, it's not going back to the lows of the day. You can forget about that idea. Unless something crazy happens on the news front, yeah, it's not going all the way back here. That's not happening. Back to the highs, yeah. Highs is not that far off. It's not that huge, you know. It's only less than a couple of 100 points. It's not that big. Come on, NQ, do something. Fuck. You know you want to pop higher. Stop some of these late shorts. You know you want to do that. I just can't get above 80s. Yeah. It's just a wall of sellers at the VWAP. They have a lot of positioning there. They've got to get above that, then I think it's going to spike quick. To the 50s. Yeah, it's just point of control. That's keeping it down. That's where all the sellers are positioned. If it gets past that, I think we get a really big spike. Could go all the way back to value area high. This is just garbage though. Really garbage the way this is moving right now. All right, we've got 5 more minutes until the next 30-minute candle. Maybe that can provide some juice back to the upside, or maybe give us the dip that we're looking for, so we can go long again on another account. Yeah, they're not letting it through the point of control here. that's going to be my last trade. I'm going to get out of here. This is really not moving right. Not moving right at all, this market right now. Another rejection from the same spot. Continuously keeps getting rejected. But the more the bulls tap it, the weaker that resistance level is going to become. They are going to break through it. And if it does, it's going to be I think it's going to be a massive move. I probably even think it's going to go all the way back to value area high here. Yeah, but right now it's getting rejected. There's no volume in this market at all right now. It's dead. Yeah, FOMC minutes is usually fucking really gay as well. And the minutes are not till like way later in the day. He starts to start in Pakistan very soon, says Trump. Kushner and Wickhop will go to Iran talks, maybe Vance, okay. Alright, new 30-minute candle just open. Alright. Bit of a move down. See where ES is? ES has still got a way to go. Okay. Yeah, there's another long. Going long again on the other account. Yeah. I'm gonna take it. If you come down into here, then I'll take another one. Another long with another account. But I do think market's not far from a reversal. Okay, so the new long, let's move this, shift B. Okay, new long is from there. Oops. All the way back up. Gonna take a while, this trade. All right. This will be about 150 points, was it? Yeah, about 150, 160 points move to the upside. If it plays out. VIX is spiking a bit though. Come on, NQ. Yeah, I like this. Should reverse from here, to be honest. They should reverse from here. Let's see. All right. Got some shorts trapped at the lows here as well. I can see that on the order flow. So yeah, we should get a large move now back to the upside. So yeah, let's see what happens here. Let's just squeeze out all that bullshit that we just had, that we've had to sit through. Go NQ. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Let's push higher. It's moving so badly though, this market today. Compared to yesterday, yesterday was really nice. This market is not moving nice today. Come on, NQ. Damn, a lot of balls just got absorbed there. Not a good sign. Bulls are hitting this tape though. They're trying to push. If they get above the VWAP, then it's game on. I think they will. So garbage though, the way this market's moving. Yeah. Come on, NQ. Fuck. Such garbage price action this right now. Total garbage price action. Alright, you want to go now? There's no momentum. I get through that VWAP. And then we can, then we're talking. I think it's going to be a really aggressive move to the upside when it does finally happen. It's going to pop shorts. A lot of short covering. But right now it's just garbage. Yeah, this is whack. Real whack price action here. Now they're absorbing shorts. Aggressive shorts. Really? It's closed again? Israel fucking breached the ceasefire, yeah. Yeah, that's not surprising, is it? Yeah, we're gonna have to jump out of this trade, guys. Yeah, we're gonna have to jump out. That news is not good. Yeah, that's not good news, guys. Let's see. Let's see S&P. Okay. That's not good news. This is going to be a tough trade. This will be a tough trade here. Yeah, no trade yet. No trade. Not with that news active. I can't jump in here right now. There's just too much fucking headlines going on right now. This is untradeable, guys. You shouldn't be trading this right now. There's way too much shit going on. It's a very dangerous day, guys. Very, very dangerous day. Yeah, this is not tradable, guys. I'm telling you, this is not tradable. You cannot trade this. There's headlines coming in left, right, and center. This is ridiculous. Yeah, I mean, they're setting up, yeah, but with this amount of news that's coming in, not really good. I'm gonna try it. I'll try it. This is gonna be the last one anyways. The amount of news that's coming out here, I'm not really that confident in it, to be honest. This has ruined the market. Yeah, still looking for more down. Yeah, look at that. S&P. This is wild. Yeah. This is getting really ugly, guys. This is getting crazy. We're out. And that's it, guys. That is it. We'll not be trading this market anymore. This is ridiculous. This is just a little bit ridiculous here. These headlines are just made it impossible. Yep. Dun, 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 dun. This is ridiculous, guys. Ridiculous. Fire broke out in Kuwait and some of the oil sites. Yeah, now they want to pump it after stopping us all out. Yeah, now they're gonna pump it. That's a shame. This news is impossible. Ridiculous news. That's unfortunate. It's gonna keep going here. Need more coffee, yeah. Yeah, now it's gonna rip. Oh, well, guys, that's it then. Yeah. Shit day. News just fucked it all up, man. There's too much news coming in, piling in. Yeah. Yeah, now it's looking nice. Yeah, but it took us all out. I tried 3 longs and none of them worked. the news was a little bit ridiculous. It just kept flooding in. I just kept seeing it on Financial Juice, red folder, red folder, red folder, news. And yeah, that's never a good thing when you're trying to take some clean setups. Yeah, this is probably going to rip back to the highs now. I won't be surprised if it does. Yeah, that's good. You was really patient on that. That was really good. You were waiting for this. You're probably still in this. You're probably still in it. Even with all the news that's going on, I'll be shocked if this thing goes down here. I'll be shocked. I don't think it's gonna go down there. I think this is it, and we're gonna trade with inside value today. That's what I predicted, anyways. I was expecting the market to come here and support, but obviously with that fucking news about the Strait and all the news that was flooding in, yeah, it just went low, but stopped us out, unfortunately. Happens. But yeah, guys, that's it. I gotta get going. I've got a few things to do today. Still gotta eat something, and then yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow is not shit like today with all the news, and then we can catch something good. All right, guys, thank you very much all for joining, and yeah, peace. See you tomorrow. Bye.